What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to showcase the updated Merge Toolkit Base. To be honest, this update has already outperformed every other Merge toolkit on the Unity Asset Store, and I'm not stopping here. This is going to be the absolute best choice for developing Merge games. Let's dive in. I've added some fresh visual effects to the toolkit. First, we have dynamic shadows under the chips that react to movement. Then, there are chains that break when a merge happens nearby. And finally, boxes. These also break during a merge, but they do it in multiple stages. Aside from the new visuals, I've introduced a new chip, the Power Booster. This thing significantly speeds up generator charging, and to make it more intuitive for the user, I've added some extra visual feedback. Specifically, you get these awesome lightning effects when the generator connects to the booster, and a recurring pulsing animation right on the connector cells. Now, beyond just the visuals and mechanics, there is a huge update under the hood. I am building this toolkit for you guys, so making sure you can update pain-free is my top priority. I really heavily focused on the architecture here. I want you to be able to expand the system completely on your own, without having to change the toolkit itself. If you check the docs, there's a dedicated extension guide. It'll show you exactly how to build your own custom mechanics, without ever breaking the core code. Inside, it covers everything from setting up a clean project for expansion to designing your own custom chips and setting up unique interactions between them. There's even a whole section dedicated to building your own visual effects, or completely swapping out the default ones with your custom logic. So, if you're still on the fence about which toolkit to choose, just take a quick look at the docs. I honestly think you'll be blown away